Hi, and welcome to Plate It. My name is Mark, and today we're making a prime rib roast. We hope you enjoy it. He perfected it, so I wanted to give it a go as well. And so we've got everything covered and ready to put in the oven. And what you want to do is find out how much your prime rib weighs. Ours weighed about 5 pounds. So 5 minutes per pound, 5 times 5 was 25. So we get the nice crust on the outside. And you can see the salt we added even after we applied the herb butter on it. The salt, the reason that we added because a lot of it drops off and we want a lot of it to stick. And what we're using in the bottom of the pan just to put the prime rib on is some garlic that we cut in horizontal, and we're just going to stick it in the oven like this. All the juices from the fat and the marbling are going to fall down into the pan along with that garlic, and that's going to make a good au jus. You can see here that when it came out, it looks gorgeous. Just make sure that you don't open the oven with this technique. You don't need to do that, although you'll want to, because you're going to see the nice crust on the outside, but you got to let it cook. So let's go ahead and show you what we did here. We're going to cut it right down the middle, although we can cut these into 4 different steaks. There's 2 different bones here. Don't discard the bones. They're very good as a late night snack. You can put it in the oven, wrap it in aluminum foil, and put some barbecue sauce on them. But this is what we're here for. We're going to cut these twice. I cut it in half so you can see how it was in the middle. And we wanted to attain a medium rare to medium temperature in general. And then we can go from there and grill it a little bit more for everybody's palate. So you can see here it retained all the moisture, but right here we kind of got it on the plate. And doesn't that look good? Still got the crust on the outside. You can see the little marbling still, and it's at our temperature for the people that like it here. It's at a medium, so it's pink on the inside. We like to do the eye test, so we like to look at something like brown first, and then it's kind of can be pink on the inside. But the thing about it is, the technique that we're using, it's foolproof. You cannot mess this up, because you can always kind of warm it up a little bit more for your liking. We appreciate everyone. Make sure you share this video. If you like it, give us a good review and subscribe, please. We have a lot more to show you. Happy holidays and God bless.